379. I am the door. Chalcedon Report number 177, May 1980. One of our Chalcedon friends remarked not too long ago that Jesus said, I am the door. John chapter 10 verse 9. He did not say, I am the doormat. All too many churchmen seem to believe that what Jesus actually said was, Father, I am the doormat. They further assume that true piety means making ourselves into doormats. As a result, they counsel an implicit pacifism, surrender, and a continual subservience to every evil that comes along. As a result, we see today persecuted pastors, Christian school teachers, and parents facing a double assault from humanistic statists on the one hand and compromising churchmen on the other. These churchmen who counsel meek submission to statism and humanism are anything but meek in facing their persecuted brethren. They are indeed bold and vocal. If Christ is indeed the door, as we believe he is a door to salvation, to freedom, to power over the forces of darkness, including humanism and statism, and to victory. Doormat churchianity is not Christianity. John says emphatically, For whatsoever is born of God overcometh the world, and this is a victory that overcometh the world, even our faith. 1 John chapter 5 verse 4. Victory is a condition of our new creation. To counsel surrender and defeat is to counsel a form of unbelief.